left behind keeps lighting corners of my mind. In every story that you told, in every hand I get to hold, you're in the laughter, in the tears, threaded through these fragile years. I ache, I break, and still I find such grace in all you left behind. I said one more plate, though I eat here alone. Fold your old letters like fragile white